So this is an S10 T5 transmission that I've completely disassembled, and it's ready to go back together after thoroughly inspecting all the parts and cleaning it. Now some parts show a little wear. Anything that looks replaceable or could be replaced is going to put new parts in if available. For instance, these are synchronizer rings here. Those are going to be brand new. Some of the shift keys and of course other parts that really don't have a lot of wear, there is no reason to put new ones in. I mean, you wouldn't put new tires on a car with 5,000 miles on it because there's no need. It's just fine. So this T5 is from an S10 from 1984-85 era, and it has a cable speedometer, and it's going to be a very nice option for somebody who needs to keep their cable speedometer in their old Chevy. Some of the T5s have a VSS connection like this one, and that will not connect to a cable speedometer unless you use some expensive device to do so that converts it. So what I do is I offer an upgrade. This is an aftermarket S10 T5 tail housing that has a cable speedometer connection. So I take this piece and I put it on this transmission, and then this transmission will have a cable speedometer connection. The other upgrade I do is this 10 spline input shaft is put on the transmission instead of the 14 spline that came from the factory. That allows you to eliminate the need for an adapter plate. This is what I do. I have them in my own truck. Here's my 1963 with a T5 transmission in there, and I love how it drives. It's from an S10, and I think that that's as much information as you need for this video.